I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear drive tires on the Jazzy Carbon, so stay tuned. Changing the rear drive wheels on the Carbon is a very simple, straightforward process. The only tools you're going to need is a 4mm Allen wrench, and it's just to take out these 3 screws. Now, if you need the rear drive wheel for the Carbon, there should be a link in the description to where you can order it. And there should be a link to the Carbon as well if you're interested in this Powerchair. You can take a look at that and order it from us. You might notice I have the Carbon on its side. You don't have to do this. It just allows it, gravity is helping me, take this off, and then it makes the installation a little easier. You don't have to do this. You can have it sitting normally and just lift the chair up. It's not a heavy chair, but I found it easiest to do it this way. So we're going to start by taking these screws out. You'll find it's a little bit easier with the brakes on, because with the brakes off, this will spin. Don't really want it to spin. So we will just take these 3 out. Once all 3 screws are out, the tire just lifts straight up, just like that, and it's seated right there. When you get your new tire in, keep in mind it is not going to come with these screws. You're going to have to order the mounting kit, so save these screws of your old unit. If you do need these screws again, just let us know or give us a call. But when you order it, you're not going to get the screws, just the tire. Now you'll notice a bunch of holes in here. Not all of them are threaded, so just double check to be sure which one is the one you're going to want to line this up with. Looks like that one is, so I'm going to line it up right there, kind of where it was. And it should sit in there pretty well. I'm going to try to hand thread these first. And they seem to be going pretty well. Then we'll just tighten these 3 back. So, not too bad, very straightforward process, but now the new drive tire is installed on the unit. This has been how to replace the rear drive tires on the Jazzy Carbon. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.